In this tutorial, I'll guide you through downloading and installing the latest version of Python in your Windows 10 and 11, so ensure that you have administrator rights before proceeding. Open your browser and search for Download Python, then navigate to the official Python downloads page. Click on Download Python option and run the installer. And once the download is completed, during the installation, be sure to tick the box to grant admin privileges and add Python to your path. Click on Install Now and wait for the process to finish. To verify the installation, you can open the command prompt and type in Python. This should display the installed Python version, example Python 3.12.0, and enter the Python environment where you can execute basic commands. You have now successfully installed Python on your Windows 10 or 11. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.